Hi everyone! Today we're showing you how to add a contact to a tag in ActiveCampaign. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, check the link in the description for a free trial or log in if you're already a user. Let's dive in. To add a contact to a tag, start by clicking on Contacts. Then click Add a Contact in the top right corner. A pop-up box will appear. Enter all the required information and click Add. You'll have options to add the contact to a list, assign a deal, or add a tag. Choose a custom tag, then click Apply, and the contact will be added with that tag. Afterward, you can filter and view contacts by the tag you've applied. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your contacts more effectively, and I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. Thank you so much for watching our video. We truly appreciate your support and hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more great content.